So there's this trend going around TikTok, and I thought I'd do it on YouTube. 5 things I would never do as a scout leader. In no particular order is number 1. I would never do blue ninjas. That I'm referring to in Beavers. I've done it when I've had to cover when the beaver leader has been on holiday or sick or whatever. Man, they are loud. Seriously loud. So loud. You come out, my ears are ringing. No, I've got 2 of those at home. And now there's squirrels. No way. You'd never catch me being a blue ninja leader. Second thing I would never do if I was a scout leader is stay in scouts if I wasn't enjoying it. If the passion isn't there, the fire inside is burnt out, what's the point in doing something you don't really enjoy and you're just doing it just for the sake of it? If my passion for scouting is no longer there, and I've been through those stages where I'm just thinking, why am I doing this? The young people aren't enjoying it, or the parents are complaining, and I just need some time out. And I've done it and it's worked. You come back a few weeks later and the fire back inside. So if I wasn't enjoying scouting, what's the point? I would never say no, you can't do any badge at home. I know those leaders, you probably know those leaders in your district where they're very particular to badge requirements, and you can't possibly do that at home. Well, I would say all the badges you can actually do at home, but there's some badges that we just physically can't do in scouting unless you're doing a camp or something. So top of my head, we've got street sports. It's easier if the young person does that at the weekend, maybe take some videos of them doing some stuff in the park, swimming, bring in their certificates. What else we got? Music, maybe they do a music concert at school, or they're doing lessons, bring in a certificate, bring in a video, prove those things. We've got first aid if they're a member of St. John's Ambulance, that works towards their emergency age level, whatever we're concentrating on. So yeah, I would never say you cannot do any badges at home, because we need that help at home actually. 4th thing I would never do as a scout leader is wear jeans at camp. That is a big no-no, and I see it a lot, you know. Even as leaders, you see them walking around the camp and you think, why are you wearing jeans? One, if it rains, they're horrible to wear at camp. They're cold, they take ages to dry, they're not flexible enough. If you're wearing camp shorts or camping trousers, they're designed, they've got some give to them, and they've got like deep pockets to put your bits and pieces in. So jeans on a camp, you'll never catch me doing that as a scout leader. Now the 5th one of things you would never catch me do as a scout leader is play bubbles at camp. I love bubbles. They're great. My kids love playing them in the garden. You can make big ones, small ones. We've done those ones where you make your own soap and make the biggest cube. But did you know it's really bad to play them around tents? Yep. The bubbles, when they land on the tent, the detergent in the bubble mixture can break down the waterproofing on the tent. And over time, if lots of kids, lots of young people, or even adults are playing bubbles on a campsite, not just a scout campsite, maybe you're family camping, it will break down the waterproofing on that tent. So that's my 5th point of things you would never see me do as a scout leader.